Welcome to Sleep Science today, where we're talking about sleepy teenies. We have so many recipes for you because there's so many good fruits and vegetables and spices and things that will help to make this drink really enjoyable as a great wind down source for you. So today we are doing the Kiwi Cucumber Bedtime Cooler. So let's get cucumber, kiwi. So let's start off with peeling some of our cucumber so that we don't get that rind in there. And then we're going to peel our kiwi, make it easier to muddle together. And there goes our cucumber. We're just about done with that. And we got that. Now we're going to take our kiwi. We're going to go ahead and peel that as well. Kiwis are really interesting because they come in different colors, basically. Sometimes you see that beautiful bright green inside. Sometimes it's more yellowish, like this, sort of a golden type of kiwi. But a little bit of a bitter taste to it. Not much, just a little bit of a bite, something that I really enjoy. It gives it flavor and makes it nice to eat. So that one works out well. And this one's a little bit soft, so we're going to go ahead and cut it. Okay, so we're going to cut some cucumber. And we're going to get a glass over here. Drop our cucumber in. We're going to cut up some kiwi. Put that right in here. We're going to use a little bit of melatonin, in this case 3 milligrams of melatonin, and chamomile tea to give us the moisture that we need. Go ahead and take that. Got our little muddling stick here, and we muddle away. Now the cucumbers, are a little bit firmer than the kiwi. So you're going to have to make sure that you really get those cucumbers muddled. Otherwise you're not really going to get all the flavor out of them. So let's make sure we get that. You can really feel them, but you got to use a little bit of elbow grease to get these things going. But boy, it's going to be something once it's done. All right, we get our martini shaker out and add some ice. And then, in this case, I'm going to go ahead and strain this on the way in. There's a lot of pulp from the cucumber and from the kiwi. So we want to make sure that we get a lot of that out of there. Leave that here. Put the top back on. We don't want to lose that. And we shake. All right, got that shaken up. Now we need our martini glass. Got that right here. And here we go. Look at that. Very subtle coloring. It's a combination of that light green from the cucumber and the golden from the kiwi here. Wow. I think the cucumber flavor is a little bit stronger than the kiwi, surprisingly. Boy, if that doesn't help you get relaxed and ready for bed, I don't know what will. Join us for some more Sleepy Teenies. We got all sorts of recipes to help you sleep better.